Unlock bigger purchases and financial flexibility with Clearpay by understanding how to increase your spending limit, and it's simpler than you think. Your Clearpay spending limit isn't fixed. It's dynamic and influenced by several key factors, including your payment history and how long you've been a Clearpay user. The most impactful strategy is to always make your payments on time, every time. Consistent, timely repayments demonstrate reliability and build trust with Clearpay. Additionally, making successful smaller purchases and paying them off quickly can show Clearpay your responsible spending habits, gradually proving your creditworthiness for larger allowances. While Clearpay doesn't directly use your traditional credit score, maintaining a good overall credit history can implicitly contribute to their assessment of your financial health, so avoid defaults on other credit lines. Ensure all your personal and financial information within the Clearpay app is up-to-date and accurate, as this helps Clearpay have a complete picture of your profile. Remember, increasing your limit is not an overnight process. It's a gradual reward for responsible financial behavior within the Clearpay ecosystem. By consistently following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a higher Clearpay spending limit, enabling you to make those larger, desired purchases with ease.